CTAE grade. This is the Dream Factory News. We're your hosts, Mihaela May
and Canberra Sona.
This week we'll be talking about CTAE Month, National Love Your Pet Day, World Teen Mental Wellness Day, and National Day of Unplugging.
Last week's answer was frostbite. We're going back to jokes. So, what's green and has wheels?
What?
Grass. I lied about the wheels.
Now, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CTAE Grade Junior High School's mission. CTAE Grade Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now, on to this week's featured expectation.
Stop, get back. Hey, hold on now. Get back now. You alright? You got beat up though.
February is CTAE Month. CTAE stands for Career, Technical, and Agricultural Education. Here at CTAE Grade, you can take lots of CTAE classes, including Audio, Video, Tech and Film, Engineering, Construction, Family and Consumer Science, Ag, and much more. CTAE classes give you real-world experiences and work-ready skills. Employability skills such as problem-solving, project completion, teamwork, workplace ethics, communication, and time management are strengthened by participating in CTAE classes. Additionally, CTAE directly prepares students for high-wage, high-demand professions. Associate's degrees in CTAE fields can pay $10,000 more per year than associate degrees in other fields, and sometimes CTAE associations even pay more than bachelor's degrees in other fields, all while limiting student loans and debt. As you're registering for classes, consider taking a CTAE course next year. Definitely do audio, video, and film.
This week, we're finishing up our dress-up days for Black History Month. Wednesday, dress in your favorite African-American inspired sneaker or African attire. The Edible Book Fair is Thursday, and the door decorating contest is Friday. Yesterday was National Love Your Pet Day. Teachers and students submitted pictures of their pets. Enjoy!
Hey, are you?
No, my anxiety and depression have been taking a toll on me.
Do you want to talk about it?
Yes.
I appreciate you opening up to me. Do you know that there's a trusted adult that you can talk to? If you're experiencing anxiety and depression, call 988 Suicide and Crisis Hotline.
Or text BRAVE to 741-741 to receive help from a crisis counselor within minutes.
March 3rd is National Day of Unplugging. This is a day to do things besides using technology, electronics, and social media. Staying off our electronics for just 24 hours gives us the opportunity to rest, reset, make human connections, get better sleep, and take in the sounds, smells, and beauty of nature. Here are some fun activities you can do to unplug. Read a book, take a hike, clean your room, hang out with your friends, learn a new skill, jump on a trampoline, play a sport, go swimming, play with your pet, paint a picture, or have a paper airplane contest with your family. Even if you don't stay off your devices for the whole day, give it a shot for just a few hours. Sometimes unplugging is the best thing we can do for ourselves.
This week's clubs are HOSA, FFA, Spanish, Gentlemen's Club, Yearbook, Ladies, Drama, and Cyber Club.
Don't forget to wear your African American inspired sneakers on Wednesday. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next week, CA Grade. This is Dream Factory News, signing off. This is Dream Factory News, signing off.